Hello, we are again at Mr. Abbas Musavri section where all the artists are there. Today I'm going to introduce you to an artist who's doing a live painting. So anybody who would like to come and get anything painted, they are here. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu
Salam.
Just tell me your name and how long you've been painting.
Ali Foloud with you. Now, make again work for art. Now 15 years.
Okay. So you like it's a hobby or it's a profession?
Profession.
Profession.
Yeah.
So you
Now
have a
only
shop.
work. Work. My job now only art.
Arts, okay. You sell your art,
Yeah.
okay. And mostly you paint a portrait or you paint what?
Everything.
Flower?
Everything. But I'm work too much for bird and for sold art.
Okay.
For it's abstract.
Okay, abstract, you love abstracts, okay. So are you giving this painting to your family also, to your children?
Yeah, all.
Or all your family,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
do painting?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, here's something coming up. This is such a beautiful horse. And I know Bahrainis, they have a love for horse.
Yes.
So what type of colors do you use?
Now I'm working for the acrylic colors.
Okay.
But my job all the watercolors.
Watercolors. You are a watercolor
Yeah.
artist. Okay. So if we call you for any, like if there is an event, do you do a live painting there?
Yes.
Okay. So
I'm starting here for before 15 years. I'm starting for the
okay, before where you were doing?
here.
Here. Okay. Okay. So you know
I
that.
like that space.
Yeah.
I like that for everything.
Yeah.
Contact with the people here.
Yes. So you are originally from Bahrain?
Yes.
Yeah, you're born in Bahrain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bahrain.
So you have that pride of being Bahraini and paint something really which Bahraini heritage. You have such
I am
beautiful.
contact my teacher. So Mr. Abbas Musawi, my teacher.
Okay.
Like this, I am work with him always.
Okay.
I
Mr.
like
Abbas is like last time we took an interview of Mr. Abbas,
Yes.
and he told me very good things about this place also, that is used to be a zoo
Yes.
in olden days. And it's really nice to see people, and hopefully we will take you something. Do subscribe our channel and give credit to all the artists.